Welcome to Quick and Easy Kitchen. Now today we are going to do baked chicken. We've preheated our oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're going to cook this for about 25 to 35 minutes depending upon your stove until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now what we've done is we've taken our chicken. I have 2 chicken breasts here that I have washed very thoroughly. I've pat dry and I've cut them in half. So this is our baked chicken right there. And we're going to serve this with Rice Pilaf by Near East, but you can use any type of rice of your choice. And we're also going to serve this with Caesar salad by Dole, but you can use any type of salad of your choice. Now the 2 seasonings that we're going to put on our baked chicken is lemon pepper, and we are also going to use Olive Garden Italian dressing. This is going to be the perfect combination for our baked chicken. This is going to be absolutely delicious. What we're going to do, my mom put 1/3 cup of Italian dressing by Olive Garden on, and it's marinating in there with the chicken. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some lemon pepper, and I'm using Kingsford lemon pepper, but you can use any type of lemon pepper that you have. I absolutely love this spice. Okay. What we've done is we've done both sides with the lemon pepper, and we've also used the Olive Garden Italian dressing. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit for a couple minutes, and then we're going to wrap it up and we're going to put it in our oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to bake this anywhere from 25 to 35 minutes until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now what we're doing is we're using Near East Rice Pilaf original mix, and what you're just going to do is you're going to follow the instructions on the back of the box. What I have in here is 1 3/4 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of butter, and we're just going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to add our Near Rice Pilaf mix on in, and then you're going to let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. What we've got is our water has come to a boil, so we're just adding our rice on in.
And your spice, Pat.
Yep.
Just like that. And you're going to stir it. And what you're going to do then is you're going to let it come back up to a boil. When it comes back up to a boil, you're going to put your lid on, turn down your heat to low, the lowest setting, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Now the rice has come back up to a boil. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the lid and we're going to cover it, and we're going to reduce your heat to the lowest setting. And we're going to simmer this for 20 to 25 minutes.
What I've done is I've got our Caesar salad here made. It was one of those kits. And anyways, what I did was I had some of those sweet tomatoes that are really, really sweet, and I wanted them inside the salad here, so I just added some tomatoes into our salad. Now I know normally that's not on a Caesar salad, but I thought I'd just add it.
At my request.
Yes, at Mom's request. Mom loves tomatoes.
Yes, I do.
She does. She loves tomato sandwiches. We're going to do one of those videos, you guys,
Alrighty.
for the summer.
Yes, they are so good.
But anyways, we put some tomatoes in here, and this salad looks really delicious. I absolutely love those Dole kits. They are really good.
Yeah, that comes with the spices,
Yep.
the pepper spices, and the cheese.
And the croutons.
The croutons. And like I said, I asked Dee Dee if she would just throw me in some tomatoes. So that just looks wonderful. And we're going to serve up our dinner here in just a minute with the rice pilaf and
our baked chicken. Okay, everyone, we have our chicken right here, our baked chicken that has lemon pepper and also Olive Garden Italian dressing on it. We baked this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and it took how long, Mom?
35 minutes. And I did turn it up to 425 for the last 10 minutes. So from 35 minutes to 45 minutes, I did it at a higher, so it would get a little brown,
where we get a little bit crispy. But we have rice pilaf right here, and we also have a Caesar salad. Now, I did put some tomatoes in there because I wanted some tomatoes. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sample this little piece of chicken right here that I've got started.
And I know you'll love the rice, Dee, because
And
it's
look
one
how
of your
good that is.
favorite.
Now, it did reach over 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature, so this chicken is completely done. But I want to show that to you. Look how nice that looks. I absolutely love the lemon pepper on this. And also the Olive Garden Italian dressing. It is so flavorful, and it's also very moist. This chicken is not dried out. It's very, very moist. Now the rice pilaf, I'm just going to go over to the side and just get some rice pilaf.
It works very well with
It
the
works
chicken.
very, very well with chicken. Now you can use butter or you can use olive oil. It also says something else, some other oil. I can't think. But it has, but we did butter.
I did butter
yeah.
in mine.
And this tastes is really, really good. The rice pilaf does.
Because the reason why I use butter in the rice pilaf is because the dressing that I use from the Olive Garden, you know, has the olive oil and all that in it. So
Yeah.
I wanted it
To be a little bit different.
Yeah, to have a different flavor.
Now I've got a little bit of salad right here.
It pairs very well. The Caesar salad with the chicken and the rice pilaf, it's spot on.
It is very, very good. Now, we got this chicken on sale, and it is really, really good. I want to thank everyone for watching our baked chicken today with lemon pepper and also Olive Garden's Italian dressing. We also serve this with Near East
Yes.
rice pilaf, and also Caesar salad by Dole's. And this tastes is really, really good. Now, you would have to adjust this to your family size, but I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button. It would tremendously help us out and also help our channel. I also want to thank all the subscribers. And if you're watching this for the first time, please click the subscribe button. Mom and I would love to have you as part of our YouTube family.
Absolutely.
And take care. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.